In this video, I will show you how to make text letter manipulation with a free AI tool. Before we get started, kindly subscribe and don't miss any of new tutorial. Open your browser. Search for bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. After login with your email, you will see this page. And you can type your prompt right here. Click on Create button. It did create job. I will add this prompt in video description. Click on Images to preview. If you want to download this images, simply click on download here. But you can change this to your name. Then click on Create.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.